I love you to death, but I don't know what you want from me. These are gonna just be here.
We just have dogs. There's just dogs around.
Yeah.
And there's dogs over there. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Hi. We're at Ross's house today, and it is like...
full of dogs.
It's doggy heaven in here, just FYI. So Ross, your farm is kind of incredible.
It's real nice. It feels real special being out here sometimes. I need to come out here more often. But yeah, between dogs and sheep, peacocks, guinea hens, and all sorts of stuff out here. And puppies today.
And puppies? Oh, I love them. They're so cute.
Yeah, those are fantastic.
Okay, so what are we trying today? Well, we are trying the spring flower and dandelion meads, which were bottled July 21st. How long's that been? It's been a while.
It's almost 6 months. That's
close. I can count, right? Yeah.
Summertime, wintertime is cold now. It was a long time ago.
They've been aging for some time, so.
You do all this in your house too?
Yeah.
That's rad.
I sure do. This might be a lot that I'm pouring, but whatever. It's not
good.
that strong. This is like not even 13%.
It's okay. I have to go meet somebody at a bar afterwards anyway, so this is perfect.
So there you go. Okay, we'll try to keep it straight since they look the same.
Yeah. They definitely have a similar color.
But the smell is quite different.
Dandelion?
Should be different.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Which is interesting because, okay, so the difference between spring flower and dandelion is just that the spring flower had violets.
This one's the dandelion,
clover.
right?
The first one.
First one you poured, and the second one is, what was that?
Second one's spring flower, which had clover blossoms, violets, and dandelion. Whereas dandelion's straight dandelion.
Yeah. The dandelion smells way more potent to me. Whoa, yeah. That one's red. There's a lot more sweetness in that than I thought it was going to be.
It's very honey forward.
Mm-hmm. No, that's fun though, because I've been drinking mead in a long time. But, like, that honey definitely coats your tongue the same way of like drinking a green tea or drinking something like that. Like, you feel that one.
Yeah, I can hear the babies crying.
Yeah.
Puppies.
Puppies squeaking in the background. Those are similar, but I think I like the dandelion one more.
The spring flower has like a...
It's definitely lighter. The spring flower is lighter. The dandelion feels like more of a darker one than like... But I also, like, whenever I think of dandelion, it just reminds me of Stella's and making, like, dandelion greens, like the boiled little, like they would take all the roughage, all the, like, foliage from that and braise it and cook it as you would, you know, collards or kale or something. So, like, that's the only dandelion tasting I've ever really had outside of honey and stuff like that. But,
what's this one?
That's the dandelion. That's the spring flower.
Trying to keep them separate. Yeah, me too.
The spring flower is slightly darker, I guess.
Is that true?
Very slightly.
Yeah, I can see that. Barely, but yeah. I gotta keep these separate. I'm gonna get them mixed up.
Yeah, I think the dandelion smells a lot cleaner. Oh my god.
Lucy, you're not gonna get to the bottom of that bowl of water.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what else to say about this.
That's good. Have you ever thought about doing mead dinners before, like the same way as a wine pairing or like a whiskey pairing?
That's what we're actually talking about, because I need different content.
Dude, I'll cook for you for that for sure.
Dude, we should definitely do a pairing with Ross.
Because we can also go, like, you can, I'm not sure how much you want to, like, go towards the Viking fucking Scandinavian aspect of it, but you can do, like, wintertime Norwegian Viking food paired with different meads and stuff.
Oh, people are very into that.
Because, like, I was,
would be dope.
you know, tried to Google and research mead stuff before, like, just to see what the fuck it's all about. And, like, every other one is, like, Viking horn, some dude drinking mead out of this shit. And you're just like, alright, that's cool and all. This doesn't make me think of Vikings at all. It's like a floral honey drink, you know?
People all over Europe and still drink mead, but also in, like, Africa, there's, like, tej.
No, I saw that. That was, like, what was it? They used some weird bitter bark that I thought was really interesting doing that.
Yeah.
To, like, instead of, like, fermenting out the sugar or letting, you know, it kind of, like, fully work through the honey, they were like, we'll throw this fucking tree bark in there and cut that sugar down immediately.
I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about dandelion. I like the dandelion. I would say, personally, out of the two, just straight dandelion flowers is real good. I used 5 cups of dandelion flowers. It's a lot. But I used 6 cups for the spring flower. There's actually more flowers in that, which is interesting.
Have you done any other things with herbs or anything like that? Any other mixtures of like different spices and herbs in theirs?
I started one. I do have a straight spice mead. I also have another one that I bottled, and it's sparkling, and it's sage and hops.
That sounds cool too. The sparkling, like, chill out, buddy. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I always thought mead was going to be darker. Like, I thought it was going to look more like this one, just based off, like, you know, you think honey, you think brown, you think a more, like, nuttier one to that. But these are real floral. That
Very
one's real
light.
light. That one definitely feels more like a winter one for me.
Is it too sweet? Are they too sweet for you?
Not at all. I make candy for a living. I fucking love sugar.
That's true. Because I like it. I don't like alcohol, but I like this.
If I stop drinking for a while, like, I really crave sugar, but that's just getting your sugars from, you know,
Right.
different, like, modes. But, no, this is nice.
Ding ding!
Yeah.
Did a good job.
Dandelion wins there. Yeah, I like the dandelion one the best.
I feel like the spring flower has a slight funk.
It does, which is
Slight.
good. I don't know. That one's sweet. I like the honey on that one. That one feels like it coats my tongue more than this one. This one feels much more lighter and floral. Mm-hmm. But both delicious.
And just different enough.
For sure. No, they're very,
interesting.
very easy to tell apart.
How's it rank?
How's it rank?
Yeah. For other. Or is it not?
Compared to
It's
other
just
things?
in the middle of your
Yeah,
meats?
I'd say it's in the middle. It's good, but it's not like...
Are there other readeries in Virginia? Is that a thing that exists around here?
It's
Yeah.
getting bigger. There's
Yeah.
one in Richmond. That,
Really?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
called
yeah.
Blackheath Meadery. It's in
It's so good.
Scott's Edition.
Yeah, right on.
Alrighty, well, I don't know. That's all we have to say about this mead.
Yeah, it was delicious. It was fun. Thanks for bringing them out here.
Hell yeah. Thanks for drinking them.
I'll drink meat in the middle of the day whenever. I don't need an excuse to do that.
Alright, thanks so much for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Lucy.
Oh my god, there's water everywhere.
Lucy!